Welcome to Pydle Day 44. Pydle is your daily colorful puzzle that you need to solve by writing Python code. Today's Pydle is titled Hamburger. So if you use your imagination, you can see the top and bottom buns, uh, the patty, cheese, and maybe a gherkin in there. So have fun solving that. It should not be too challenging. As usual, we will now solve yesterday's Pydle, which was the pound symbol. Okay, so we need to focus on the white pixels, which is kind of the inverse of the actual pound symbol. So there are many ways to solve a Pydle, but one thing I noticed is that we've got a number of kind of pairs of pixels, and then it goes to kind of triplets. So there's two there, then two there, two there, then it goes on to 3 and 3. So let's see if we can actually use that to kind of solve this Pydle in an efficient way. I'd love to hear how you solved it. So if you can drop me a comment, that would be usually appreciated. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a for loop with a range of numbers, which will be the starting pixel. If you kind of just go left to right of each of those kind of pairs and triplets. So the first one is at position 0, then at 4, then at 7, so that would be that one, then at 13, and at 17. So 13 and 17 would be the triplets. Okay, now for the actual pairs and triplets, we're going to do another loop for I. Don't worry about me swapping the I and j. They are just variables in range. So I'm going to say 2 if j is less than 13, else 3. Okay, so that's going to mean for 0, 4, and 7, the second loop is going to generate 2 iterations and then 3 for the last 2. And that should give us enough information to actually go and fill the Pydle. Okay, so this is only the starting pixel, so we need to add the actual iteration for the pixels to that. So we need to say I plus j for the x, and the y, again we need to say I plus j oh yeah, I forgot, we normally do modulus 5 because we're going left to right. So to convert that into x and y, we need to do modulus 5 and then I plus j integer division 5. Got no character, and that is the background white. Okay, so that should hopefully solve the Pydle. It is quite an elegant solution. I'm quite happy with that. So let's run that, and there you go. It's completed the Pydle. So you can see even the little emoji, you can see the pound symbol quite clearly. So that will show quite nicely in X or just in the comments somewhere. So feel free to paste that. Okay, so have a look at the hamburger and see if you can solve that, and I will see you tomorrow for the solution.